Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some groundbreaking inventions from the USA, the brilliant minds behind them, and why these inventions changed the world. Let's get started. Now let's talk about the pioneers of flight, Orville and Wilbur Wright. These two brothers from Ohio made the first powered, controlled flight in 1903. Their invention opened up the skies for human travel, transforming global transportation, commerce, and even warfare. We can't forget Nikola Tesla, a genius who contributed to the development of alternating current or AC electrical systems. Born in what is now Croatia, Tesla moved to the United States and became a key figure in the electrical revolution. AC power became the standard for electricity distribution, powering homes and industries worldwide. Without Tesla's contributions, our modern electrical infrastructure wouldn't be the same. Henry Ford, another iconic American inventor, revolutionized the automobile industry with the introduction of the Model T in 1908 and the development of assembly line production. Ford's innovations made cars affordable for the average American, transforming transportation and society by making mobility accessible to the masses. Fast forward to the digital age, we have Grace Hopper, a pioneering computer scientist. Hopper developed the first compiler, a program that translates written code into machine language. Her work laid the foundation for modern programming languages, making software development more efficient and accessible, which is crucial in our technology-driven world.